Thanks, Tim, and thank you, everybody. So when we work through the like the hall solutions to make sure that you are drive ready, dispatch ready, road ready, now we're going to flip into talking through what's happening on the road and making sure that while your drivers are out on the road, they're as safe as possible. Again, same theme in terms of how Transflo has really worked with us to make sure that the driver experience is top of mind and seamless. Automagical is how I like to describe it, which really means that we're not one more thing that the driver has to remember to do at the start of the day. It's going to work for them straight out of the box without any additional steps. And then when we look at things like Drivewyze Free, again, in partnership with Transflo and with our state agency partners, we're able to address concerns that impact all fleets on a regular basis and make sure that the driver isn't in an environment where something sneaks up on them. The worst thing we want is for somebody to come over the top of a crest of a hill and see traffic stopped in front of them. That has to be a nightmare for any driver. So the goal of the Drivewyze Free solution is to provide absolutely free service on known hazards on the roadway through partnerships with Transflo and with state agencies. So as Danny mentioned before, really easy to get set up, no subscription cost. And the goal for us is to reduce fatalities on the roadway. Our partnerships are really focused around safety, and this is how we're proving it to the industry, which is really around making sure that that things are not catching a driver off guard. The other thing that we highly focus on is making sure that the alerts are contextual and important for the driver in that moment. So we're acutely aware of how much noise can happen in a cab, how much is already like beeping or buzzing. We don't want to be a thing that a driver ignores. So we really make sure that those are pared down to the most impactful, most relevant alerts only, so that we're not contributing to alert fatigue or anything like that.